Much rejoicing when we come to page 4 and the last page of our review for financial literacy. Okay, here we go. Sales tax, Brazos County, 8% by computer. What's the total cost? $650 times, that's the cost, and that's the percentage. If you want to do it another way, you can do 650 times 0.08 and then add 650. But that 650 is represented by a 1. Okay, so I do 650 times 1.08, $702. If you do it this way, you're going to get a percentage, and then you're adding 750, you're going to get 702. Holly will use her debit card. That's a good thing, because if I don't have enough money, it says, don't have enough money. Cost of the flower pot is this. Holly has that in her checking account. So, it pulls it straight out. That is $179.36 minus $39.95. Then she'll have money. It's like carrying around, but instead of carrying all that money around, you just have it on a card. $179.36 minus $39.95. And she'll have $139.41 left in her checking account. I am very guilty of carrying no cash. I do have to carry cash when I go on trips for people that don't even take a card. Meters, tips, stuff like that. Use a gift card to buy a box of computer paper. The cost of a box of paper is $36.39. He has $301 in his account, in his checking account, and the gift card is $75. So, Manuel will use, no question. I'm assuming the question's going to be, does he have enough? So yes, he has $75 on his gift card. I'm going to use my gift card. Did you know that some gift cards, after a while, they don't have any money on it, and they're just done like that? And so if you have a gift card, don't wait too long to use it. His box of paper is $36.69, and so we're just going to take it off the gift card. 75 minus 36.69, and we're going to have 38.31 on gift card, and we didn't have to use our 301.45 at all, and so that's still in my checking account. That's like little kid scenario would be, that's what is in your piggy bank, and grandma just gave you a birthday card full of $75 and you go and buy it and now you have money left. Same thing. Net monthly income is this. Table shows by the category what percent of the budget for the month is budgeted for utilities. So, utilities is $285. That's the part over the whole. Looking at it, it's going to be, I betcha, really close to 10%. 285 divided by 2849. And it is 10%. It's actually in the calculator is 0.1000035. That's close enough to 10%. Round to the nearest whole percent. There we go. Read the directions. Make sure you read the directions and answer it. We have reached our final review question. Hosting graduation, they are having it catered. The cost of the catering is that. Sales tax is that. They're leaving a tip. So we're gonna pay the tax. Oh, what did we decide? Hold on. Let's look on the back. We're gonna pay the tax, then we're going to pay the tip. Okay? So it's bill, tax, tip. Okay? So we're going to do 586 times 0.0725. And then, so that's, oops. 586 times 0.0725 is $42.49. I did round, so if you put it in the calculator, I rounded just already. And then, so that's 586 and 42.49, and that is $628.49, and then I needed 20% tip. What was the total? And okay, so I can put the total like that because that'll give me the 20% plus the 628. So times 1.20 equals 754. Sorry about that. 0.12. Okay, so doing this a different way, you could actually do 586 times 1.0725. That'll give you the 628.49, and then you can take the 628.49 times the 1.20 to give you the final. So anytime you're going to take a percentage and add it, you can actually put that 1 in front of it and it does the same thing. That is your review. If you have any questions, come to office hours and I will clear up your financial review.